Everyone, and welcome to my show. I'm here standing on the balcony of my house in Northeast Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It is Thursday, March 5th, 2015, the 14th of Adar 5775. We're celebrating the holiday of Purim, and especially for this occasion, we have a snowstorm. 10 inches of snow on the ground here in Philadelphia and surrounding suburbs. As you can imagine, a state of emergency has been declared for the entire region. This means no work or school, and we're just here to enjoy this amazing white stuff, because guess what? Spring is right around the corner. So let's have some fun. I will let the pictures speak for themselves. I think they'll do a better job than me. So take care, everyone, and I'm your host, Hollywood Startup. We're reporting live from my house.